Hi, Tayton.
Hi.
What are you going to do?
Tie my shoe.
Show me. Good. Hey, Tayton.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm tying my shoe.
You are?
Yeah.
Where did you learn that?
It hurts.
You just were watching and you learned, didn't you?
Yeah. Whoops.
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 Make it smaller. Oh, there you go. Good one. Yay, buddy. High five.